coconut flour, which are commonly used in gluten-free baking. Additionally, the gluten-free diet has encouraged people to experiment with new ingredients and cooking techniques, leading to the creation of new and delicious gluten-free recipes. Intermittent fasting. Intermittent fasting is a diet that involves restricting food intake for certain periods of time, typically between 12 to 16 hours per day. This diet is often followed for weight loss, improved metabolism, and to reduce inflammation in the body. Intermittent fasting has become increasingly popular in recent years, with many people incorporating this diet into their lifestyle. The rise of intermittent fasting has had a significant impact on food culture, particularly in terms of the timing and frequency of meals. Many people who follow intermittent fasting prefer to eat their meals in a shorter window of time, which has led to an increased interest in meal prep and planning. Additionally, intermittent fasting has encouraged people to prioritize nutrient-dense foods during their eating periods, leading to a greater focus on whole, unprocessed foods. The influence of diets on food culture. Diets have had a significant influence on food culture, shaping the way that people eat, cook, and think about food. The popularity of veganism has led to the development of new plant-based products and innovative cooking techniques. The paleo diet has encouraged people to focus on high-quality meats and traditional cooking methods, while the keto diet has led to an increased demand for healthy fats and creative replacements for carbohydrates. The gluten-free diet has led to the development of alternative flours and new gluten-free recipes, while intermittent fasting has encouraged people to prioritize nutrient-dense foods in meal planning. However, the influence of diets on food culture is not without its challenges. Some diets can be restrictive or difficult to maintain, leading to potential nutrient deficiencies or negative impacts on mental health. Additionally, the popularity of certain diets can lead to a sense of food elitism or judgment towards those who do not follow these diets. Conclusion. Diets have become a significant part of modern food culture, influencing the way that people eat, cook, and think about food. While diets can have positive effects on health and the environment, it is important to approach them with caution and ensure that they are sustainable and well-balanced. By understanding the influence of diets on food culture, we can make informed choices about the foods that we eat and embrace the diversity and richness of the culinary world. Food trends and diets have been shaping culinary cultures for centuries. Different approaches to eating have impacted availability of ingredients, cooking methods, and social aspects of dining. This article explores how diets influence and transform broader food cultures. Religious diets. Religious edicts on which foods are permitted or forbidden have significantly shaped cuisines. Jewish kosher and Muslim halal dietary restrictions revolutionized usage of specific meats, cooking implements, and food preparation techniques. Kosher laws gave rise to Jewish cuisine focusing on lamb, beef, and chicken cooked in utensils never used for mixing meat and dairy. Halal prohibitions led to innovations in butchering and cooking meat in the Islamic world. Both diets spurred development of new ingredients, condiments, and flavor profiles to accommodate restricted options. Vegetarian and vegan diets. The rise of vegetarianism and veganism has spawned a revolution in plant-based cuisine. Once centered around grain-based dishes and salads, vegetarian cooking now incorporates fake meats, cheese alternatives, and innovative versions of traditional dishes without animal products. The increasing availability of meat substitutes and other replacements has accommodated more diners. New vegan restaurants experimenting with sophisticated whole food dishes are transforming what was once a limited diet.